Once you go under contract on a home, most buyers feel two things at once: excited and immediately nervous. Your offer is accepted and people are congratulating you. And then your brain goes, okay, what happens now? Today, I'm gonna walk you through exactly what happens when you go under contract in 7 steps, so there's no surprises. I'm Mike Hengy, your mortgage mentor. Let me explain these steps in plain English. Once your offer is accepted, the contract is fully executed. That kicks off 2 parallel tracks, the real estate side and the mortgage side. From a lending perspective, here's what happens first. Your loan officially goes into processing. Disclosures are sent out, timelines start, and your closing date becomes very real. This is where the momentum begins. It's also where buyers feel the most, wait, are we doing everything we're supposed to be doing? The good news is there's a structure to this, and I'm gonna walk you through it. If this kind of clear mortgage guidance is helpful, subscribing makes sure you see more videos like this. This is usually the busiest and most misunderstood phase. The inspection is for you, not the seller and not the lender. You're not looking for a perfect house, you're looking for safety issues, structural concerns, and big ticket surprises. This is where buyers either renegotiate, request repairs, or move forward confidently. At the same time, your lender is verifying income, assets, employment, and credit. And this is where I always give buyers the same advice. Don't change anything financially right now. No new credit, no job changes, no large unexplained deposits. Stability is your best friend until you close. The appraisal answers one question: is the home worth what you're paying? There are 3 simple outcomes. 1, it comes in at value. Great. 2, it comes in above value. Rare, but even better. 3, it comes in below value. Manageable, not a disaster. This is where having a calm lender and a strong agent matters. Appraisal issues are solvable, and panic never helps. Underwriting sounds scary, but it's not. Underwriters are simply ensuring that the loan meets the mortgage guidelines. They may ask for updated pay stubs, bank statements, and letters of explanation. This does not mean something is wrong. This is normal. Think of underwriting like a final checklist, not a judgment. If your lender communicates well and keeps things organized, underwriting becomes just another step in the process, not a horror story. Once underwriting is satisfied, you'll receive what's called clear to close. This is the green light. At this point, your loan is approved, your numbers are finalized, and closing documents are prepared. You'll receive your closing disclosure a few days before closing. This is when everything becomes real in a good way. Before discussing the final 2 steps, I just want to say I love making the mortgage process more clear. If you ever need anything or have questions, I'm happy to help. A few final steps happen here. The final walkthrough of the home, the funds are wired, the documents are prepared and signed. My advice during this phase is simple. Stay boring, stay consistent, and let your team do their jobs. The finish line is close, and the best way to keep it smooth is to avoid any last-minute financial surprises. On closing day, you sign paperwork, ownership transfers, and you get the keys. This is the moment everything you worked for comes together. And yes, it's completely normal if it feels surreal. If you want to pay off your new home faster and save thousands in interest, watch the video on the screen to check my 3 simple hacks. Going under contract doesn't mean chaos. It means structure, there's a plan, there's a timeline, and you're not doing this alone. I'm here to make this calm, clear, and confidence boosting, 1 step at a time.